Let's solve plus 2. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. In brackets, 4 times 4, when we do the multiplication in the brackets, 4 times 4 is 16. If we solve it further, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is the answer. Let's write it down properly. The question is 24 divided by 6 with brackets around 2 plus 2. In questions like this, according to the BODMS rule, first of all, we'll solve the brackets. After that, division and multiplication, as well as addition and subtraction, are on the same level in priority. Same goes for addition and subtraction, so we check from left to right. Whichever comes first when checking from left to right gets the first priority, and the next one gets the second priority. Now let's solve it. First, we'll solve the brackets. According to the BODMA rule, 2 plus 2 is 4, so we rewrite it. The question becomes 24 minus 6, bracket 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6, times 4 equals 2. 24 now. 24 divided by 24 equals 1, which is the right answer.